Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm out here again in the field bringing you content and showing you homes that could be yours. And here we are at the Kindred community in Kissimmee, Florida. It's right next to the border of St. Cloud off of Neptune Road. The builder I'm going to highlight today again, this is another DR Horton product. This is in their Express series. The Express series is made with a few details that are a cost saver for you, the client that would come in, and they're trying to help out and lower cost for you. And so it's still a nice product. This one is the Robie. It's just shy of 2,500 square feet. As you can see, it is a 2-story home. Very nice. And let's take a personal tour. So what'd you guys think? I think there's a decent amount of area here on the first floor for entertaining. It was nice that you have one bedroom on the first floor, but the rest of them being upstairs, there's a good amount of bedrooms here. So it's a nice size floor plan for a pretty nice size family. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, I'd love to hear what you're thinking down below. Feel free to put a comment down. Also, if you could, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell notification icon. That would help out tremendously. I'm bringing more content to you daily, and I look forward to bringing some new things to you. So let me know what you want to see. There's a lot of stuff to see here in Central Florida. I'm trying to get as much of it as I can for you guys. Take care. I'll see you on the next video.